Hello my lovely friends, and how are you doing? Today I'll be sharing with you my date night routine. How I prep my body to have my partner all over me. So if you're having a date night coming up, or it is your first time meeting a partner you wish him to ask that question we all long to hear, stick around and watch the magic happen. You will smell so good and have your partner all over you, trust me. Yeah, so the first thing, of course, we all want to do is have that fresh shower and use a sponge to have your body feel so smooth. This is a secret. Have your body feel so smooth, because if you rely just on your soap without using a sponge to mildly exfoliate your skin, so all dead skin cells are out of your skin and your skin feels so smooth and clean, like you want to use a sponge, trust me, with your soap. And for the soaps I use for my date night, these are backups. I already have some in my bathroom. These are backups. This one is Brazilian moisturizing shower cream gel. When you use this on your body, you smell like pistachio ice cream. You smell like ice cream, and trust me, after your bath you still have the whiffs of that ice creamy smell on your skin. And this is another option. This one is from Bath and Body Works. This is warm vanilla sugar body scrub. After using this, you smell like sexy vanilla. So these are my options for date night to shower with and have my body smell so good and clean. If you want your body to smell like ice cream, this is it. If you want your body to smell like sophisticated vanilla, like this, gets your body smell so good. Now, after having that fresh, cozy shower, the next thing I follow with is a scented moisturizer. So even if you're using your moisturizer, you want to add this on top, a scented moisturizer. So this one is Sweetheart Cherry. I got this from Bath and Body Works. This is Coco Mademoiselle scented moisturizer. This is equally a moisturizer I got when I bought my Burberry hair elixir. So before using my fragrance for the day, I always start with a scented moisturizer. These moisturizers help your fragrance perform better, increases the longevity and the sillage, like people get to smell you. So after having that fresh shower and smelling all nice like ice cream, I follow with my scented moisturizer. The third thing I do is apply a fragrance mist on my body before my fragrance. That is how you end up smelling so heavenly. Trust me, if you follow these steps, your man will be like, you will smell so amazing. When you layer your skincare or fragrances, trust me, you smell so good. So this is the third thing I do. After that fresh shower smelling like ice cream, follow with my scented moisturizer. I follow with a fragrance mist. And these two for date nights are amazing. So this is Brazilian Crush 68. This smells like Baccarat Rouge. If you have Baccarat Rouge, you will testify this smells like Baccarat Rouge. So welcoming and warm. This is so nice. So nice. Or I use this warm vanilla sugar body mist I got from Bath and Body Works. These two gets you smelling like sophisticated vanilla. I love how this smells on me. You smell like sophisticated vanilla, so mild yet it projects. And you know, I love this for date nights as well as this. Yeah, so this is the third thing you want to do. You layer up to finally have that beautiful heavenly smell, like, you know. And now what I use as my fragrance for date nights, I have like 3 to 4 of them I'll be recommending to you today that I use for date night. And recently I found, like, I always love this on a date night, this Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. And guess what? I found this at Target. You will not believe this smells the same like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. This is just $29 and some few cents, while this is a lot. Like, I was so surprised as to how this performed on me. It lasted on me for like 4 to 5 hours, just like the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. This is magical, sexy, and playful, while this is sophisticated, grown, sexy. Whichever, these two are similar, they do the same thing, just this is playful while this is grown. I love them so much. This one I got from Target is from Finery. It is another cherry eau de parfum, $29 and some cents. This is Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. These are recommended for date nights. You will have that man all over you. My second date night fragrance I love so much is Burberry Hair Elixir. This gets you smell like ice cream. You smell so good. Most especially, you have a shower with this and use this as your fragrance of the day. You smell so heavenly. Burberry Hair equally has a scented moisturizer. So if you apply this on your body and follow with the fragrance, you smell so amazing. And this helps to increase the longevity of your perfume. So having a scented moisturizer for your fragrances is something that will help your fragrances last long on you and project better. This is another date night fragrance I love so much. I get a lot of compliments. This is a grown sexy fragrance, like grown. So this is not a blind buy. Not everyone will love this, but trust me, this is grown, sexy, seductive. Like, this is so beautiful. This is Bitter Peach from Tom Ford as well. I love Tom Ford fragrances. They make you smell so seductive and they are grown and sexy. Like, I am so amazed as to the performance of this fragrance for the price. So this is date night recommended. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on fragrances, you are on a budget, just get this. This Not Another Cherry from Target, and you will come back thanking Reza. Trust me, you will come back thanking me. This smells so good. Like, it smells so, like, this smells so good. Like, so good. And oh, I forgot to mention my deodorant. This is something you don't want to miss, this step. Using your deodorant spray, so your armpit is, you don't want your armpit not smelling fresh. You want your man to get that beautiful whiffed from your armpit, like that fresh. And this is a vanilla fragrance from Native. This brand is Native. This is coconut vanilla. Or if you want something fresh, this is equally good. This sea salt and cedar from Native. I love them because they are paraben free and aluminum free as well. So these are chemical free and they get your armpit smell so good and you don't have any. And lastly, for makeup, I always go for smoky eye makeup. Even though I'm not really a makeup person, I do minimal makeup, but I try to do something like a smoky eye makeup and use a beautiful pink lipstick. So I have two options for pink lipsticks I always go for. This one is Revlon. I got this from Target as well. And this one is from Estee Lauder Blush Crush. This is a beautiful pink lipstick from Estee Lauder, and this is from Revlon. I got this from Target. This is way cheaper and so beautiful. It leaves your mouth pinkish, succulent, and beautiful. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to share with you today. How I prep for date night. Like, how to prep for a date night to have your partner all over you, to pop that question, or you have something special you want from him and you want him all over you. So as I mentioned earlier, I start my day with a beautiful scented shower gel cream, like this Brazilian Foreplay moisturizing shower gel, which gets my body smell like ice cream. Like, you still get the whiffs of this after your shower on your body. That is how you prep, scrub your body with this and smell so good. After using these, I follow with a scented moisturizer. Whichever scented moisturizer you have is fine. So your fragrances can perform better when you start with a scented moisturizer. At times I will follow with a body mist. After using a scented moisturizer on my skin, I follow with a body mist. I share two options with you. This one is Brazilian Crush 68. This is from Bath and Body Works, Warm Vanilla Sugar. After applying my body mist, I follow with my fragrance of the day, and so these two are grown seductive fragrances for date night, while these are playful, sexy, seductive fragrances that will appeal to a wider audience. These are not blind buys, these are grown. The grown will love these, but if you're youthful, younger, you want something playful, go for these two. And trust me, your partner will be so all over you. He will pop that question you want him to pop. And trust me, men love women who smell good. Personally, I love smelling good for myself. When I smell good, I feel so good. Like, smelling good uplifts my mood and increases my confidence. When I smell good, I feel so confident, and smelling good to me is business. Like, I don't joke with my fragrances because I always love to smell good and feel good about myself. So it is a lifestyle, it is part of me. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share with your friends, your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you love me, Risa, and my tips, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching it. Trust me, the fragrance that won this for me is this fragrance, and it is the cheapest of all I just shared with you. This Finery Not Another Cherry I got from Target. This is a very beautiful, simple, seductive date night fragrance.